You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to copy Excel sheet in same Excel file using openpyxl with Python. First of all, I am going to show you the Excel file and Excel sheet. This is the location where our Excel file and Python files both are in same location. This is the Excel sheet that's name is purchase, and this Excel sheet has purchase department data. Here our program will create another Excel sheet named sales and then copy all the data of purchase sheet to sales sheet. Next we will install our library package openpyxl by using Anaconda command prompt, where base is the by default virtual environment of command prompt. First of all, we will activate our virtual environment base. Then by using pip manager we will install openpyxl. You can also perform this operation using DOS command prompt. In DOS command prompt, first of all you will have to create your own virtual environment. After that you can install library package. I am using Spider as an IDE with Python 3.7 version. First import openpyxl package as OPL, where OPL is used as a label for openpyxl library package. Next we will assign our Excel file that's name is employee.xlsx. Next we will assign Excel sheet name that is purchase. Next we will load and open Excel file and create an object that's name is WB. Next we will create the object of our purchase sheet. Next we will copy all the data of purchase sheet and create a new sheet that's name is purchase copy. Next we will save our updated Excel file. Next we will run the program. In output window it is not showing any error. It means our program run successfully. Next we are opening our Excel file, and here you can see a new sheet that's name is purchase copy, and this sheet has same data that are stored in purchase sheet. We have created the new Excel sheet by copying, but there is a problem. We don't want the name of our new purchase sheet as purchase copy. We want its name as sales. For this we will rename our new sheet. First of all, we will create a string that hold the name of our new purchase sheet, that is purchase copy. Next we will load our new Excel sheet that's name is purchase copy and create a new object of this new sheet. Next we will change the title of our new purchase copy sheet. New title name of this sheet is sales. Next we will save our Excel file. Next we will close our Excel file. At last print the message that we have copied our Excel sheet. Next run the program. In output window it is showing message sheet copied. It means our program run successfully. Next again open the Excel sheet. Now it is showing two sheets. First one is purchase and second one is sales. Sales sheet has same data that are stored in purchase sheet. Next, we are ending this tutorial for today. Thank you.